welcome back to the channel. In today's episode I'm going to be painting, rebuilding and installing the doors on the FJ45, as you can probably see behind me here, as well as I'm going to be painting the trans tunnel and a couple other things. So with that out of the way, let's get straight into it. So since that last clip, I've taken the bull bar off, I installed the throttle cable, and I've done a few other things, like I installed all the wiper mechanism and wiper motor. I ordered the replacement bits of these. I didn't buy the original chrome because they're like $200 just for the chrome, which I think is pretty insane. So I decided to go with the cheaper rubber replacement, because paying $200 for this is just ridiculous when you can pay $40. So I paid $40 each for them instead of paying $200 each for genuine ones. So today, my rubber seals that I ordered off of Rubber Seals Australia have arrived. So I'm going to be building up my driver's side door for the FJ45. Okay, so I just finished building up the door and I installed it. So now I have pretty much finished everything. I put the door card in, it opens and locks and everything. Door cards are all in, put the handle in, put the little thing that goes around them on, put this on. The only thing I haven't done is the weather strip that goes around here, so I'll do that later. But I didn't film it, but I'm going to film putting the second door together. So. This isn't really going to be a how-to video. The 40 channel, the dude over at the 40 channel has a really good video on how to do this, and he films inside the door and shows you what you're doing. So if you're looking for more of a how-to video, he has a really good one. But I'm just going to be building up this door, so I might just chuck it in time-lapse and get on with it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to go down below and like the video, as well as subscribe, because there'll be tons more videos like this coming soon. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.